A few weekends ago, we took the race truck over to Firebird. We only had a chance to do one run, and during that run, we did have some issues. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the 68 out of the race truck today. I already drained the fluid, and it's looking pretty dark. It should be bright red and be able to see through it at least, but this is very burnt. So we're gonna go ahead and R&R the transmission today and get it over to the transmission shop and let them take a look at it. I'd be smarter than him. I haven't even got the drive shaft out.
Like Sonic rings around here.
If only,
Ching, ching, ching.
if only we had gold coins.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Not Loctite on these. Good for them.
We try.
At least it's not coming apart.
We try.
I like that. Fanning. There's one. One converter bolt.
Thought it was sliding off the table real nice. Nope, missed one. Nice. 1,200 foot-pounds of braking power right here, baby. Baby.
This line's toasted. We need to replace this train.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. She's loose.
Hold on.
Okay.
Cool.
And then back. Go down. That's not down. Just crack that barely. To go,
Barely?
yeah, with weight on it, it'll go kind of quick.
Fancy Dan.
Hey, Dan.
Well, at least you don't have to put it in slow-mo.
Right? One race truck 68, ready for repair.
Oh, yeah. It's way easier.
You good?
Yeah, cool. All right. Awesome. Cool. All right. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Hot 2. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Yeah, I'm excited to see how bad this is. Oh, that got nice and toasty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, she got burnt. She got burnt pretty good. That got a little hot. I'll see what Matt thinks about that. Yeah, you can see a little bit of heat coming into the overdrive hub. Oof. Ooh, dang.
I wonder if they're going this whole time. You'll have to get that snap ring out of there and you can pull these out. Mm-hmm. And then I'd like to see both these packs all the way down to the lower verse.
Gotcha. Those are basic.
That's why it doesn't have reverse and shit like that, because it's bound up because of the underdrives. So let's check the other 3 clutch packs in this.
Okay. It's out.
Okay. I mean, they have like a little bit of heat in them, but
They're not
the
terrible.
size of the pack and the power you're running
Yeah.
looks,
Beautiful.
you can't even see wear marks on it. That pack's perfect.
There we go.
Honestly, take that, we can chuck it up on the lathe. Get this bushing off and polish it. This is that Pro Mod spag from RevMax. Basically a 4R100 gear. And it still looks like it's happy. So yeah.
Perfect. These look really good.
All right, so for the competition 68 in the race truck, we didn't really find any failures that were a result of the transmission. All of the failures were from the electrical from one of the speed sensors tripping out and then putting it into limp mode on the line. Obviously, when you're bumping into the second staging light, you're not necessarily going to know that 68's in limp mode, so I sent it anyways. We wanted to see how the transmission looked. It did burn up the underdrives, didn't find any issues in any of the circuits in the trans. But when your transmission goes from running how it normally does and goes into limp mode under full power, you're gonna have some issues. Found that the overdrives look great, the 4C and the 2C all look great, and the only issue we found were some burned up underdrives. So just gonna stack out some new clutches in this drum and then put it back in the truck and send it.